If you are spending hundreds of dollars to learn how to be a successful trader, I got a great news for you. Today I am giving you the trading secret. Watch this video till the end and you know exactly what I am talking about. Alright guys, next up I will show you how to properly trade one of the most recognizable candlestick patterns, the cup. I am opening a 5-minute trade while it's running. Let me break it down for you. Analyze this on the 1-minute time frame, and as the name suggests, the pattern really doesn't resemble a cup, a dip formed on the chart, the base of the patterns. To make it clear, I will draw it right now on the chart. There, see it, the currency pair has formed a smooth arc. That's a strong reversal signal after a prolonged drop. Key point is that there must be a steady downtrend before the cup appears. Without it, the pattern doesn't work. The entry point is determined in the zone called the cup handle. And yes, it's literally look like handle, hard to miss. Our goal is wait for pulling back downwards and enter a long position at the bottom of this handle. I will go two forming at once. It happens and it's completely normal. The general shape of the pattern should look something like what I am making on the chart right now. The buy enter should only be taken once the handle is fully formed. After that, it's textbook. The trend breakouts and start surging upward. Right now, I am catching the lowest part of the handle with additional 1-minute contract. For simplicity, look for a solid level where you expect a bounce. It's not hard. We are especially targeting the previous consolidating zone, the exact area where price stalled before breaking upward. That's it. Don't drag out the contract. I opened for 5 minutes because the reversal might not happen instantly. It's need a little time. Honestly, I will spotted this pattern earlier. I will have traded it on the first handle. Our goal is snap entries after the rise, especially on pullbacks. See a dip, identify your entry level and go long. The optimal expiration time is 5 minutes, but I also comfortable trade with 1-minute contract. This method isn't new, it's been around a while. I will already show it to Telegram subscribers and explain how to profit from it. Many have sent me their results and it genuinely makes me happy when my guidance helps people achieve consistent income. You can be one of them. Subscribe, link in the description. There you will find even more proven patterns and a strategy to trade confidently and profitably. Time to open more long trades. The beauty of this pattern is that it appears everywhere or any currency pair. And don't worry if price dips deep into the level. In fact, the deeper the pullback, the stronger the upward surge. I like a call spring. Now about Telegram channel, mastering trading is not a magic button, it's a process. You need to structure your knowledge properly to achieve consistent profit. And you don't need an expensive computer. Just a phone, that's enough to start earning. By the way, too bad, the first 5 minutes contract did not work out. Volatility spiked and the trade got stopped out. But no big deal guys, now I will show you how to recover the loss and turn into profit. Let's go. If the loss was $1,000, I open a new trade for $1,500 or even $2,000. Going long again right now because I know where the price is heading next. The key, enter strictly from the level I marked. The reaction is already there. Look at the candle wicks below. They are long. That's clear signal. The level is holding the price and pushing up. I strongly recommend using the pressure zone. Don't trade randomly. This isn't roulette. It's work. Understand this, you are not here to play games. You are here to make real money. Treat it like your profession. Right now you are in a training and you must pay attention to details. Perfect. I almost recovered the loss. Quick recap, and I started with $3,000, and despite the drawdowns, I doubled the account. That's the power of discipline, trading with a clear plan. Oh, and this pattern has inverted version, works the same way, just mirrored. Let me find one now and show you how to trade it. Got a trade, the logic is exactly the same. Only now the cup is inverted. Here the main body. Next the handle will form. That's our key entry zone. But I'm entering early. I see a bounce of support happening right now. If price drops lower, no problem. I will scale in with more contracts. This is how I hedge in case the first trade doesn't work out. Here the key. Profit doesn't come from the number of winning trade, but their quality. Forget about counting start on chasing perfection. That's all noise. For me, productivity is everything, and that's exactly what I teach my subscribers. You can make money without perfect stats. The key is sticking to clear rules and follow the plan. For example, if you're choosing the cup as your main trading pattern, you will make money. But if you are not managing your account and don't use risk management, the profit will be tiny. These skills must be developed. You won't get far without them. Perfect. Meanwhile, I covered the distance to get back into profit. The handle is starting to form. Remember, this pattern is still update potential from here. It's your call. Either wait for the price to react the peak or enter the another long. Now I will break it down so you see exactly what I see. Same cup, just upside down. Right now I'm trading it key session, the so-called handle. Entering on the pullback from support and waiting for price to reach resistance. This likely where the next reversal will happen. Look like we are nearing completion. Just wait for reaction at the pressure zone now. In my view, this is one of the best scalping patterns. I will use it many times. It consistently reliable. The key, watch the candle wicks closely. Analyze their size, direction and color. This will give you the entry signal. The problem is even the knowledge this can go wrong. The market is unpredictable. That's the fact you must accept. To give yourself any kind of safety net, you need to be ready to hedge losing traders. A pullback will happen 100%, but it might take longer than expected. Hedging early trade just extend our expiration windows. There's nothing wrong with that. It is a valid strategy. Still aim for precious entries. If you are shorting, get in as high as possible to maximize gains. No ways, that was close. Profit guys, I almost lost the trade, but by a hair breadth it's turned around. As you see, tension but high, the rally continues. Rising volatility is fueling the bullish momentum. Damn, that shirts just wiped my contract. Tough break, but no panic. Trading demands ice-cold discipline. Resistance is now active, pushing price down. Yet, upward inertia lingers. Stay composed. Control the trade until the very end. I'm 100% confident in this red zone. The delayed reversal, normal, happens often. Remember, markets are chaotic. Patience wins. Guys, never trade this pattern mid-cup. That rounded pace means nothing alone. Wait for the handle, only then is the entry valid. That's exactly how I'm trading here. An unfinished trend cycle can swing either way. Without the pattern course structure, it falls. Went all in on the deposit? Yes, the prolonged price momentum has been sweating, but it's played out in my favor. I'm confidently growing the account. These are a final momentum where the pattern is still worked. Soon we will see an active drop. The cycle is nearing completing. After that, the chart becomes unpredictable. Typically a sharp decline when the cup is inverted like mine, but it's not a rule. Honestly, I am already scaling out here. The twisted part has already played out. Markets are cyclical. When you spot this pattern, consider it a full house in your mount. With these cards, you can confidently take the pot, but you must know how to play it right, otherwise it's worthless. Think poker, a rookie can lose even with a killer hand, while a pro wins with trash just by reading the games and staying disciplined. Trading identical, those who approach market reckless lose more and necessary. Those who approach market recklessly lose more than necessary. But those who act soberly, patiently, and cold-hearted, they take last cent. Let's wrap up this session, guys. What do you think from this video? Drop a comment below. If the feedback is positive, I will make more such videos. Today is really little tough. Not everything gone as per plan, but you saw it with your own eyes. When you have a system and when you have a strategy, results comes in a good profit. If you find out this is worthy, like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss my videos. You can check out my Telegram channel, link in the below. See you in the next video. Trade smart.